Welcome to our channel. I'm so glad you visited today. If you are new to our channel, I want to give you a big welcome, and my name is Teresa. Today I'm going to bring y'all along to me to a really fun yard sale I went to, and later on in the video I'm also going to show you the things that I got. So I hope y'all enjoy the video, so stay tuned and let's go to the yard sale. The yard sale that we're going to go to today is called Alabama Highway 101 Yard Sale, and it's always held the first full weekend in October. It runs over 39 miles and it goes from Alabama all the way up to the state of Tennessee, and it has over 40 vendors. So this yard sale runs down the whole highway, and the 2 days it runs, on a Friday and Saturday, you'll see cars bumper to bumper. So what you do is you park your car, you get out and you walk and you just kind of look around and take in all the items that they have, and they have everything from new items to vintage to antiques, estate, items. They have pretty much everything you can imagine. So I'm actually here on a Friday. This is the first day of the yard sale, and in our area, North Alabama, this weekend is kind of like the last weekend blast for yard sales. So there's a lot of yard sales right now happening in our area, but I really wanted to go to this one. I've been to it before and I loved it. So like I say, I've parked my car and I'm just going to walk around and take a little bit of it in and show y'all some of the neat things that they have. So I hope y'all enjoy the yard sale. And I also wanted to mention that, I said there was over 40 vendors. That doesn't include all the people that live along the highway in residential homes. They were able to have yard sales in their yards. So there's over 100 participants. So I just want to also mention that, just to give you an overall idea of the magnitude of this yard sale and how large it is. Hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you are, please hit that like button. It really helps out our channel. We'd really appreciate it. If you haven't joined my Facebook Home Decor page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. Okay, are y'all ready to see what I got? I ended up spending about 2 hours there. I probably covered maybe three blocks of the whole yard sale, which is a little over 39 miles. It runs up into the state of Tennessee. So I just kind of actually hit one end of it. I parked my car and walked around a big area of it, and then I got in my car and kind of drove a little bit further down and parked, and then walked through another big area of it. And then I just came on home. But I ended up getting 12 items, and I ended up spending $44. Okay, the first item I got is this amber brown jar, and it was $2. And at the same place, she had also this one. So I picked both of them up, and I went over and I asked the lady, because to me they look old, and of course they're dirty. but them being dirty doesn't mean that they're old necessarily. But anyway, I asked her if they were old, and she sat there for a minute. I was kind of thinking, she's like, well, they came out of my granddaddy's barn. As soon as she said that, I mean, y'all, she had me at granddaddy. But anything that comes out of a granddaddy's barn, it is going to be some good stuff. So I'm pretty sure these are probably kind of old. This right here looks like an old, I don't know, maybe a creamer jar, like some kind of powdered creamer used to come in something like this. And if y'all know what it is, and it has some markings on the bottom, it's just some numbers. But anyway, I'm gonna give y'all a close-up of what this looks like, and if y'all know anything about these, you know, please let me know. But I know that the amber brown is really trendy today, so I don't have any, so I was excited to get these. So $3 for these 2 pieces. Okay, the next item that I got at the same yard sale where the brown jars were, she had this vintage potato masher, and it was $1. So I love the patina of this, and I love the wear on the handle. And like I say, I collect rolling pins. So far, my mom has given me one that's really old and has been in my family for, you know, many years. And then I have bought a couple. So I was excited to get a potato masher because I don't have one of these. Okay, the same yard sale as the brown jars and potato masher. I got this little thing. Now, I'm not sure what this is. It looks like it's old, and it kind of feels like it's, I don't know, it's kind of got, you know, it's got a rust-colored patina to it, so I'm not sure if it's old. It looks to me kind of like, I guess maybe it's a candle holder. Somebody could have even went and bought it, maybe a Hobby Lobby piece, for all I know. But anyway, it was $2. I love things like this because you can always, you know, use them for risers, or of course we can use them for a candle holder. So y'all know I love some ornate metal pieces, so I picked this up. Okay, at one of the yard sales, I got this cute little birdhouse, and this little birdhouse actually come from Hobby Lobby. The guy even said it was purchased at Hobby Lobby, so he said there's no telling what it cost. But the name of it on the little tag is called Audrey's, out of Lebanon, Pennsylvania, and it's just called Birdhouse Tin Roof with a jute hanger. But anyway, they had 5 on it. I kind of looked at it and I wasn't going to get it, and then he said, well, you know what, if you want it, I'll give it to you for 3. So I got this cute little birdhouse. I think it's adorable. It's got holes on both sides, so I thought this was super cute. These right here are actually feet, or little legs, big legs. Like, you can put these on like risers. You can put them on the bottom of furniture. If you have a piece of furniture or something that kind of needs a lift, and you kind of want to, you know, maybe get something up off the floor, or it just needs just a little bit more of a little ornate detail, these right here are perfect. And I'm always looking for things like this. And you know, you can purchase things like this at Home Depot or Lowe's, but I guarantee you're going to pay for them. And the lady that had these sold me 4 of them for $5. So I thought these were really neat. They're, you know, just like I say, they're just flat on the top, flat on the bottom, but we can always chalk paint these and put these on the bottom of something. So actually I got 4 of these. They are just alike. They're really, I had to kind of look because they would have 3 and to make feet for something you're really going to have 4. So we finally dug until we found 4 of the same shape. So these are all wood. So I was excited to get these. Okay, in one yard sale I got these 2 pieces. I actually got this. This is like a metal, it's like a metal trivet, and actually it slides. So I guess you could put like a longer dish on it. And the main reason I got it, it was $1, but to me it looks like a pumpkin. So in an upcoming video, hopefully you're going to see this again, and we're going to transform this into like a shabby, I don't know, some kind of ornate type pumpkin, because that's when I saw it, that's what I thought of, was that's a pumpkin shape. So anyway, I'm going to try to make a pumpkin out of this, so stay tuned for that video. Okay, y'all, at the same yard sale, I got this piece. And I've been in the market and been looking all over the place because I want a dough bowl. And I can hardly say that with my southern accent, but y'all know what I'm talking about. One of those wooden bowls that everybody is just going crazy over, and they get them, they put stuff in them. I love them. But y'all, they run up in the price. They're like $75 to $100 when you find them out somewhere. And I'm sure they're very well worth it, but I just keep looking around thinking I'm going to hit a bargain on one. Well, at this yard sale, this piece was sitting there, and I asked the lady how much it was, and she said $1. So I automatically thought, it's got like the, the indentation here that kind of, gives it kind of a bowl shape, kind of like a tray. And then, it's got the nice little scallop petaled edge, which I love. It's all wood. So I'm thinking, we could probably chalk paint this. We can, for fall, put some pumpkins in it. And at Christmas, I think this would be beautiful styled with like, some greenery, just anyway, some Christmas decor. So anyway, I got this for $1. Okay, and the next items you're probably not going to be excited over if you're not from Alabama. But I got kind of excited about them because, I've lived in Alabama my whole life. But this one lady that I went to, her yard sale was actually at her house. Because some of the yard sales, the vendors, they rent spots along this route. And you can rent, a space. Or some people that live on this highway, because they don't shut the highway down. The traffic's still going. If you live on that highway, you can just throw your stuff out in your front yard and you can have a yard sale. So a lot of the yard sales and the stuff there for sale are people where, that's where they live. So this actually was a residential like yard sale on the route, and she had these. And I thought these were so neat. I wasn't real sure what to do with it because I didn't know what it was, but I love the slogan, and it just kind of caught my eye. Of course, it's Burlap, and it's got Velcro on the ends to where it latches. So it's kind of like this. So she came over and she said that people were getting them to put around like the old doors, and you could put them on a wreath. And so when I asked her how much they were, I thought she'd probably say they'd be $5 each, and I was probably going to pass because I was like, what am I going to do with that? Well, anyway, she said they were $1. So y'all, I ended up buying every one she had because I thought, I want one. And I'm sure I've got some friends that would probably like one. So she had 4 of them. So I bought all 4 that she had. And like I say, I'll probably share some of these. But I thought these were really neat. Okay, this piece right here, y'all, came from the same yard sale where I bought the little birdhouse. And this possibly could have come from Hobby Lobby too. It caught my eye because of the mustard color I love. And then also I love this chippy paint. And it looks like it's got rust on it. So this possibly could have been a Hobby Lobby piece also. But y'all, this was $4. So I'm not real sure what it is, but I just love its ornate features. And I think this is going to be so pretty. I can style this in the fall, and also I can see me styling this for Christmas time. So I thought this was really neat. Okay, y'all, the last 3 items. And these 3 items actually come from another yard sale that was like at a house on the highway. And I've been to this lady's house before in a previous year because they have this yard sale. They have it annually this time of the year every year. So it's kind of a tradition in this community. But I've been to that lady's house before and bought handbags from her before. She's got really nice ones. She takes good care of them. But y'all, this is a Brahmin. The name of it is the Madeline. It's called Madeline, and the color of it, it's called linen. And so she always has some Michael Kors. She has Coach handbags. So I kind of looked at those, and the Coach handbags and the Michael Kors handbags, of course, she was wanting $35 and $50 and $75 for those. And so I picked this one up because actually Brahmin is one of my favorite handbags. And I picked this one up, and she said this one was $20. I'm sorry, she said it was $20. Well, y'all, I was just kind of looking over it just to make sure it was okay because I was about to, say, hey, yeah, $20, I'll give you $20. And before I could even look it over, she said, well, if you want it, I'll let you have it for $15. So I got this beautiful Madeline Brahmin handbag. I already looked it up once I got home. There's one that's new with tags that somebody's asking on eBay. The asking price is $199, and it's new with tags. But anyway, I think I got a real good deal on this. So anyway, I think I'm really going to enjoy this little handbag. And at her yard sale, she had some cute jewelry, and I got this for a friend. My friend Ruth Ann, she loves big statement type jewelry. Me, I can't wear it. It just, I don't know, it's too heavy on me. But she loves statement jewelry. And actually, when I saw this, I thought of her, and I just thought, I don't know, I love the heart on it, and I thought, well, she would love wearing that maybe around Valentine's Day or something. So anyway, I got this cute necklace for my friend, and this was, the lady said I could have this for $4. And then she had this other little cute necklace. This one right here, it's just got like a little cross and a pearl on it with a really long chain. And anyway, this one was just $1. So let y'all see that one up close. I thought that one was really pretty too. So, okay, y'all, that is going to wrap up the haul and the yard sale footage. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It is a beautiful day here in Alabama, and I apologize, one of my neighbors is out mowing his grass today, so I hope it's not too loud in the background for y'all. But anyway, I thought I would film out here since it's so pretty and so sunny, and it's the perfect temperature. So I just kind of wanted to, you know, share my yard sale experience with y'all today, because, you know, fall, a lot of the yard sales are happening, and it'll be kind of like the last ones that we'll get to do until next year. And I was lucky, we were all lucky that this yard sale is an outdoor event. So even with pandemic type situations and people were wearing their masks even outside, it wasn't super duper crowded, so you could just kind of walk around and be comfortable and enjoy the beautiful weather and just look at all the neat treasures that they had. And I really had a good time in the 2 hours as I was there. I could have probably stayed all day. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed it. And as always, y'all, I really appreciate y'all watching. And I will see y'all in the next video.
Big congratulations to Stacy Godfrey of Birmingham, Alabama. She's the proud winner of the stencil set giveaway. So Stacy, please email me your mailing address and I will send you your stencil set.